In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the thickness of your drawings in Google Slides. So we're going to make a drawing and then I'll show you how you can increase or reduce the thickness of that drawing. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and draw something, and you can simply draw using this scribble here. So if you click down below here, you can see you can either draw line, arrow, or you can just scribble. Alternatively, if you can't see this draw option, you can just go to insert here and then underline, choose an option such as scribble, and if you go here you can scribble anything. And also, maybe should you just want to draw a line, you can also come here and click on line, and here you will be able to draw a line. However, as you can see, this line is too thin and I like to make it much thicker, and also this scribble much thicker. So to do this, go ahead and select on the item you want to make thicker, and once you have selected it, go ahead and look for this option called line weight. If you click on it, you can see currently it is 1 pixel, so you can go ahead and increase this to larger or thicker pixels, and look at that. If I take it times 4, it will be this thicker. I can also change the line here. If I go to line weight and change this also, say to 3 pixels, it will be thicker. If I still need to increase it, I can go ahead and maybe increase this to 12, and you can see that line now is much thicker. Should you wish to reduce the thickness, go ahead and click on line weight and reduce this to the thickness that you desire. So that's how you can change the thickness of your drawings or shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.